Welcome to our channel Home Decor USA. Transform your living spaces into captivating realms by seamlessly merging the beauty of natural stone indoors and outdoors. From the cozy warmth of a stone fireplace to the enchanting allure of garden partitions, envision a harmonious blend that transcends boundaries. Elevate your surroundings with the timeless elegance and versatility of stone walls, forging a connection between the organic charm of the outdoors and the comfort of indoor living. Certainly, when considering stone-walled ideas for both indoor and outdoor spaces, you have the opportunity to create a cohesive design that seamlessly connects your living spaces. Here are some versatile ideas for incorporating stone walls in both settings. 1. Indoor fireplace feature. Create a stunning focal point in your living room by constructing a floor-to-ceiling stone wall around a fireplace. This not only adds warmth but also brings a touch of the outdoors inside. 2. Exterior. Scent walls extend the inner stone wall design to the exterior, creating a harmonious transition. This can be achieved by using similar stone types or complementary colors for a unified look. 3. Garden partition walls. Use stone walls to define outdoor spaces and create garden rooms. These partitions add structure and visual interest to the landscape while offering a sense of privacy. Courtyard enclosures surround an outdoor courtyard with stone walls to create a private and intimate oasis. This design not only enhances the aesthetics but also provides a sense of seclusion. 6. Interior stone columns. Integrate stone columns within your home to support open spaces or as decorative elements. This architectural feature adds a touch of grandeur and connects the interior with outdoor landscaping. Stone wall with built-in shelving. A combine functionality with aesthetics by incorporating built-in shelves within the stone wall. This works well in indoor spaces like libraries or outdoor areas like patios. 8. Bathroom accent wall. Use stone to create an accent wall in the bathroom. This design choice can evoke a spa-like atmosphere, especially when paired with natural elements like wood and greenery.
Have an outdoor pergola, consider using stone walls as support pillars. This not only provides stability but also adds a visually striking elements to your outdoor living space. By seamlessly integrating stone walls both indoors and outdoors, you can establish a design language that enhances the overall aesthetics of your living. Embark a journey of timeless elegance, natural beauty by embracing the artistry of stone walls, whether indoors or outdoors. These creations transform space into living works of art. Don't miss out on the inspiration. Subscribe to our channel for more designs, tips, landscaping ideas,